Okay, today I'm going to install a Keplr wallet. Taking a look at the website right here real quick just to see a few things really quickly. And I'm using the Brave browser. I want to install the mobile app, but first you need to install the browser extension and get it set up on your desktop before you can pair it with your mobile. And I like to do this because multiple wallet, I can diversify my custody across multiple wallets, so I'm not stuck with using just one. If there ever is an issue with one wallet, at least all my assets will not be in one place. They're diversified across multiple wallets. Interesting thing about the Keplr wallet here is that it has cross-chain, they call it interchain technology, and it's got a really nice user interface. And most importantly, I'm trying to use this so I can do staking right here, decentralized, and earn passive income right here on a lot of these tokens that they do offer. So the website's pretty clean. And if you want to do more research, I'll leave the link. It's keplr.app, but I'll leave the link somewhere around this video. So I'm just going to get started. First thing I'll do is click up here to install the app. And again, I'm using the Brave browser, so you can go to the Chrome web store here and choose add to Brave. You can do it this way too. Install Keplr. It's going to be Chrome. Let's see if it works with Brave, if it knows. Goes to the web store. Yep, same page. So Chrome web store, add to Brave, manage extension, add extension. And in just a second. There you go. Now the next step, I'm not going to film on video, but you want to hit create new wallet. And it's going to give you a seed phrase. You're going to want to store the seed phrase somewhere offline and maybe write it down on paper, put that somewhere safe, and make a duplicate copy of it. Okay, you're presented with the option to use Google or create your own recovery phrase. I'm choosing recovery phrase. I don't like Google. I don't want to use it, regardless how convenient it tries to make things. I don't want them with more information than they already do, just to use it against me. So I'm creating a new recovery phrase. Gives you more security, more option, and then also on the mobile, I want to sync it and pair it so that when things get transferred, it should work seamlessly. That's why I'm choosing this one. I'm going to pause the video when I create my seed phrase here and save that information, and you should do the same. So now next step, I've chosen to create a seed phrase, a recovery phrase. So before I click this button, this is what it's going to look like. You're going to choose the blue button here to show the phrase. And then when it shows you these sequence of words, it could be 15 to 20 words. You're going to either screenshot that, save it somewhere off your computer. Don't store it on anywhere that other people could get to it. Take a picture of it, write it down, put that piece of paper, write it down on paper, keep that paper somewhere safe. Don't store it on your phone where it could be easily found, or put it somewhere safe. This is the whole point of self-custody, so don't screw it up. Okay, hopefully you follow the instructions here, because without that seed phrase, they'll never recover your wallet. Even they don't store your password and wallet, so it's important that you have it and keep it. And now at this point, it's going to ask you for word number, and at least in my case, it's asking me for word number 1 and word number 6 of that phrase. And then you can name your wallet, create your password, and this will be your key to log in to your account if needed and get everything set up. So hopefully you followed those instructions, you wrote it down, you took a picture of it, did something with it, because it's asking you for this information here. Okay, once you've done that, it's going to say, select the chains you want to choose. I will choose all of them. If you know which one you're specifically looking to use this wallet for, then you have that purpose, I guess, but I'm going to choose all of them just to have a good default. And specifically ones I'm interested in is osmosis and injective, and also Terra or Noble. So I'm just going to choose all of them, because when I import some tokens, I want to make sure they're going to show up, and the more option that I have, the better. So I'll just choose all of them if it lets me to do so. Just going through them, just hit select all right here and hit save. And now over here, it's saying pin Keplr wallet for easy access. Let's see. Click the extensions button to locate Keplr and click pin button. So if you have your MetaMask up here in your extensions or something like that, it's asking you to pin it, so it'll show up here in your bookmarks. but it's okay. You don't have to do that at this point. And now it looks like everything has been set up and it's created. And I'll go to the phone and connect the app on the phone and sync it with the desktop version. And then I'll deposit some tokens in here. Click finish. Close that. There it is. It's very similar to the MetaMask that lives in the extensions section. And when you connect to Web3 websites or exchanges or something like that, it should be simple to use the interface. So there you go. And now I think I'll go to the mobile app and connect everything there, make sure it's seamlessly integrated and connected so I can trade on the go. And one more thing, this is very similar to the MetaMask now. They have a Keplr dashboard, which I've been told has a really good user interface. So we'll click on this and it'll take you to the dashboard, which is like the MetaMask dashboard, which shows you everything in a, that's not a pie chart, but a ring chart, something like this, and shows you your holdings and what you're staking, your portfolio allocation, and a lot of other things that you could do here. It looks like there's also inbox. So these may be messages from the developers or something like this. So interesting. Okay, I haven't seen that yet, but this is what it looks like. A good user interface, easy to use, and then you can keep track of your holdings on the DeFi platforms and also see what your staking rewards are here. That looks pretty cool. So I'm interested to get started in this, and I'll connect the mobile app here, make sure everything is seamless before I start dumping some tokenage into here. And so it should go without saying, the reason why we're doing any of this stuff is, at least in my opinion, is crypto is for the people, and this is a way to take your power back and self-custody your own tokens, your own currency, and keep it out of the, whatever you want to call them, for lack of a better word, the scumbags, the banking cabal, and big banking. So who knows what will happen in the future if they try to allocate all the Bitcoin and try to move the markets and manipulate what they can by purchasing Bitcoin. But hopefully you're in the DeFi space, or you're interested in self-custody because you're aware of what's going on with the banking situation here. It's a deep rabbit hole, but if you're not familiar with it, please do some research. There's a ton of videos on Rumble that talk about this, but it's a very good idea, because if you were to look at Ray Dalio and research what he has to say about changing economic conditions and new world orders, things like this, it's just a really good idea. Without getting too in depth into it, there could be a great financial reset and a financial crash, implosion of the stock market in order to reset the system. They've been talking about it for years. A level playing field, great reset. We all feel like at some point this is subconsciously ingrained in our psyche now. So it's not a matter of how, it's a matter of when. So this is another preparedness stage to keep your money off brokerages maybe, and stock platforms, trading platforms, and custody money yourself. At least that's my opinion, and hopefully you agree with me. And this is why I'm trying to create videos like this, to share these ideas with people that are new to it, at least want to learn about it and what to do. And hopefully this is helpful. So just documenting my process, and years from now, I think this video may age well. But crypto is the future, for sure. So on screen here, this is Rosie Rios. Her name is on most of the money in circulation right now. She's a former US Secretary of Treasury. She has been quoted as saying, "We need a shock to the system for a level playing field. Crypto is not going anywhere. The train has left the station." So you think she knows something? She knows what's up, what's going on here. So take heed and do something about it. Don't get wiped out here, and pay attention to stuff that matters right now. Oh yeah, also she's a board member on Ripple Labs right now. So hint, hint. Make sure you have the desktop app set up first, then go to the Google Play Store. Make sure you got the right logo and company for the Keplr Wallet app. Download the app. Then you're going to open the app, And then you're going to go to the settings for import using Keplr extension. There's an option for sign in with Google, import a wallet, import with a ledger. Go to the import from Keplr extension, click next. And then you're going to give access to the camera to scan the QR code. Okay, and now we're back. So at this point, we're going to go to the settings on our extension here and choose, let's see, security and privacy. Let's see, where is it? It said settings, manage token list, advanced, no, general, link Keplr mobile. Okay, here it is. So hopefully I'm recording on both right now. Okay, yes, I am. So you're going to choose this button right here, link Keplr mobile, and click this. Now it's giving you the QR code to scan. Now go to the mobile device, choose import from Keplr extension, allow access to the camera, click next. Now when that pops up, you're going to just scan this QR code. First, you have to enter your password here first. So let's do that. And this is not the seed phrase. This is just password that you've set up. And then hit confirm. So now we've entered the password. Hit confirm. We'll scan the QR code. Come on. Light it up. There you go. Took a little while. Okay, now it's going to ask for the password again in order to connect and import. So this is not your seed phrase again. This is your password. I'm going to pause the video while I do this. All right, I've entered the password twice. Hit next. And now it says you're all set. It should be connected, and we'll see what happens on mobile here. Okay, so it should be connected. I'm seeing the same things on my desktop as I am mobile. And now I'm going to send some tokens over here, make sure everything's working. And that's pretty much it. Now the reason I'm doing this is because the crypto group that I'm affiliated with, Swing Trade Pros right here, is a Discord channel, have, I don't want to say advised, but recommended to either stake or purchase these tokens right here, CMDX on Osmosis chain, and have shown the charts of why you might want to do that. So probability, return on investment, things like this. And if you would notice, that's the token CMDX. Well, it's not chartable on TradingView unless you have access to it. Let's see, CMDX. Only really available at this point through this network here, Osmosis. And so the Keplr wallet extension has Osmosis. If we're able to look right here, there it is right here. And so that's why I'm creating this wallet, to be able to stake this token and profit from it. And also Celestia is another one that has, I don't know if I want to say hype, but Celestia has, it's pretty hot right now, I guess. He's so hot right now, just like Hansel. It's TIA on the chart. However, if you want to stake that token, where would you do so? Well, it's not on centralized exchanges. And if you were to look at this token and pair it with Tether, it's not on the major exchanges here. It's not on Coinbase. It's not on, let's see what else. Yeah, if you look at it, it does have some futures, but it's on the smaller exchanges. And KuCoin, Binance, if you're a retard, you like to talk like that, it's on Binance. And then also Bybit, Mexi, BitGet. But this is the point. So in order to stake and utilize and leverage these tokens here, I need to create this wallet. And that's why I set that up for myself, and hopefully show you the way to do that too if you're not familiar with it. And the next step, all I have to do is just import some tokens in there. And this step should be straightforward. And if you know copy and paste and how to send tokens, withdraw tokens from one exchange to another, should be very simple. You go to the Keplr wallet here and then choose the network you want to trade on. So for example, Osmosis, then you want to deposit. It goes the same with a normal transaction. You go over here to either scan the QR code or copy and paste from, this is where it's going to. And so from your exchange or from wherever you have your cryptos on a different wallet, MetaMask, wherever, and then to this address right here, or scan this here. Pretty simple, very straightforward. So hopefully that helps. Additionally, if you're interested in alerts, trades, call outs, and profit, feel free to join the Swing Trade Pros Discord server. And the services they offer are alerts, indicators, signals, things like that. And once you're in there, please go check out the profit and gains section. You can see what's really going on in there. Full disclosure, totally, it's worth its weight in gold, totally worth the price of what they're charging for the service to help you learn trading and get the best entries possible. So I'll put a link to this in the description around the video somewhere. I'm just looking for my profit posting here. I posted a pretty good triple digit one not too long ago. Let's see, where am I? Oh, here I am. I got some stuff here. I was looking forward to those triple digit gains. Where are we? Oh, there's another one. Let's see. Anyway, you get the idea. So join the group. I would. I'm in there. That's pretty much it. So I'll see you in the next video. Comment below if you have any question, like, share, subscribe, all that stuff. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Appreciate you.